Finding the best stand mixer under $100 can feel tricky, especially when you want solid power without overspending. The truth is, the best stand mixer under $100 can handle everyday baking for most US home kitchens, from cookies to simple bread dough. I've tested budget mixers in real home use, and I know where they shine and where they struggle. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Electactic Stand Mixer with 12 Speed. The Electactic Stand Mixer with 12 Speed is a smart pick for daily baking at home. This feels compact but strong on the counter. I liked the 12-speed control, which helps with gentle mixing and fast whipping. The 5.3-quart bowl works well for small families. The tilt head design makes adding flour easy. Anti-slip feet keep it steady during dough mixing. It also runs quieter than expected. Cleanup is simple with removable parts. The motor is not ideal for very stiff dough. Still, for the price, it delivers smooth results and solid everyday performance. Number 4. Kismile 5.5 QT Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The Kismile 5.5 QT Tilt Head Stand Mixer is built for home bakers who want more room to mix without spending a lot. This feels surprisingly powerful for its size. I really liked the 12-speed control, which makes it easy to go slow for flour and fast for cream. The 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl handles bigger batches with ease. The tilt head design helps when adding ingredients mid-mix. Suction cups keep it steady on the counter, even with dough. Attachments swap fast and cleanup is simple. The mixer looks great in bright red. The motor can sound a bit loud at high speeds. Still, for the price, it offers solid value for everyday home baking. Number 3. The Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. The Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer is made for small kitchens and daily baking. This feels light but steady on the counter. I liked the compact, space-saver size, which fits easily in apartments. The 3.2-quart bowl works well for couples or quick recipes. 6 speeds give good control for batter, cream, and light dough. The tilt head makes swapping tools fast and clean. Anti-slip feet help it stay put while mixing. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. Power is solid for cakes and cookies, but heavy bread dough can push it. Still, for the price, it feels reliable and beginner-friendly. Number 2. Dash Stand Mixer. The Dash Stand Mixer is a cute, compact mixer that fits real-life kitchens. This mixer works great for frosting, dressings, and light doughs. I used it in a small apartment, and the compact, light body made storage easy under low cabinets. The 3-quart bowl is just right for daily baking, not huge batches. 6 speeds help with control, from slow mix to fast whip. The tilt head keeps things clean when swapping tools. I also like the retro look, especially the pink color. It adds fun to the counter. The tilt head design makes cleanup simple. Power is fine for cookies and meringues, but thick bread dough can strain it. This is not for heavy baking days. Still, for beginners or tight spaces, it feels friendly and easy to use. For the price, it delivers solid value for everyday home baking. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer is one of those mixers I reach for on busy baking days. I love the stand-hand combo because I can mix dough in the bowl, then detach the hand mixer for quick frosting jobs. The quick burst power really helps when cookie dough gets thick. Mixing feels even thanks to the moving bowl. Cleanup is easy too. The bowl and attachments go straight into the dishwasher. The only downside is the lighter build, but for everyday home baking, it gets the job done without stress. Final verdict. If I had to personally recommend one mixer as the best overall pick, I'd choose the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. It's reliable, versatile, and practical for everyday baking. I love that it works as both a stand mixer and a hand mixer, which makes it perfect for busy kitchens and small spaces. For a more budget-friendly and compact option, the Dash Stand Mixer is a great choice. It's ideal for light baking, small batches, and apartments where counter space matters. It may not handle heavy dough often, but it's fun, simple, and easy to use. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the stand mixer that fits your style and needs best.